Hey y'all, it's Quay Styles. I wanted to show y'all my favorite brunch recipe ever. It's so delicious. I have pepper and salt in the grits. I have shrimp, green onions, sauteed mushrooms, onions, sauteed mushrooms, onions, and what else is in there? I put one, oh yeah, just a little bit of green onions in there too. So sauteed onions and mushrooms, shrimp, green onions, bacon, pepper, and salt, grits, and cheese. Mix all that together, and I promise you, it will be delicious. Okay, comment down below and tell me how did you like it.